artists. Like, ay, alam na ba nila to? O first time ba nating formally sasabihin ito? Sa mga nanonood po online, okay? First na to, no? Baka, sa'yo mo pa sabi, para mas special. Ang corny naman kung ako yung una mag-on. You're collaborating with international artists like?
First.
And?
Jolene.
Jolene Tai. Okay. So, how did these collaborations shape the album? Congratulations, by the way, international collabs. Let's go.
With this kind of collaboration po, syempre, unang-una, we're very happy and we're very blessed na yung ganun kalalaking international artist, yung talagang willing to collaborate with SB19. Kasi, tulad nga po na sabi nyo, nagsistart kami, ang taas na kagad ng pangarap namin. Though, target talaga namin, mga big artist na talaga. Pero ngayon na dumadating sila, syempre po, parang nasasabi namin, ito na pala talaga yun. Parang we're very happy na paunti-unti naabot namin yung mga pangarap namin noon na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin kami naniniwala na naabot na namin siya. And with the album naman po, I think it's the perfect timing na somehow ito yung nagsisemento na nung parang naabot na namin in our lifetime dito sa tinatahak namin as an artist talaga as SB19. Kasi yun naman talaga yung goal namin is to go global. And ano pa bang other way to parang malapat namin ang maayos yung pangalan ni SB19 and of course ng Pilipinas sa scene na to is to also collaborate with mga kilalang artists naman talaga. So, we're very happy and excited to share yung mga tracks na ginawa namin with them sa inyo kasi I think it's not only for us to show yung skills ng SB19 but of course, mapakita rin yung collaboration ng cultures together and mapakita yung kayang maitawid ng mga ng musika natin to other countries na talagang willing din to support our country. Yes.
Yes, and thank you for